This is the final video to fix Dropbox not syncing on Windows 11, and it will save you a lot of time. Are you facing a problem where your Dropbox files just won't update or sync properly? This usually happens because Windows 11 sometimes blocks Dropbox from connecting, or the app gets stuck with old cache files. Many solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I will show you a secret easy trick that solves this in minutes. It works without deleting files or reinstalling the app. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I will guide you through every click. Don't struggle with Dropbox anymore. Follow this simple fix and get your files syncing again quickly.